Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I hope everybody took profits last night or early hours of this morning after the brief pump. Okay, so now Bitcoin has pumped and it has dipped a little bit again. So now I want to point out something. Okay, don't just believe that okay it has dipped a bit, the next thing is for it to pump again and it's just going to be pumping, and you're just believing that oh the way it go up forward is up and the next thing that's going to happen is an upward trend. Don't do that. Now base your trades on facts, but I want to show you something before you think about whether a coin is going to go up or not. You have to consider the trend that we're in, like I've always said. Okay, so if you go to the daily time frame right now, you're going to see that we are actually still in a downtrend and it hasn't broken. Since the all-time high, it's been going down and it has not the trend hasn't really changed except this 48k that we hit a couple of weeks ago. This recovery that happened a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago actually, from 32 to 48, and then it came back down. So even from this point here, you can see on this daily time frame, you can say okay, the last swing high was 48k, but it's not going to get there anytime soon. All right, now the next major resistance is around 35-36 range. Okay, so and before it's even going to get to 35-36, it's going to take a while, based on the trading volume and based on the trader sentiment of this very at this very point in time. So what I want to point out to you here is this: you have to look for support when entering the trade again. Don't just enter because it has dipped a little bit. Base your entry points on previous support. Remember, former resistance becomes new support and vice versa. So old support becomes resistance, old resistance becomes support, new support. So what you need to do is go to smaller time frames. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame here and say okay, where is the support we need to look for? Now Bitcoin is around 30k 482 right now, but there's a support I see here at 3117 range. There's another support I see here, lower one here, 29, and you can see that this 29 here seems to be a very much stronger support than 30. So it's more likely that traders have placed buy orders at this point, and so when price dips to that point, when bears push it down to this 29k area, it's going to rebound quite successfully, as it has done here and as it did around here. Okay, so what you need to do is target that point. So you're going to place a buy order at this 29k region. Don't have the fear of missing out. Don't FOMO in at this point and say, oh, it's going to go up from here. How do you know? How do you know it's going to just keep going up? Look, remember, we're still in a bear market. We're still in a bear trend. It's still a downtrend. So the bears are still dominating the market. Every wise trader is shorting more than they are longing right now. And you can't blame them. It's just the way the market is, because money is not being pumped into buying at this point in time. So the whole point of this video is for you to wait for proper support price points to be reached before you enter. So just go about your day, do what you're doing, place a buy order around 29k or the last support. Do your own research and find out the last support that favors you or suits your strategy best, and then enter at that point. Do your own research. Don't just enter because you think the price is going to go up. Target those support points and wait for that order to be filled. All right, so if that helps, do well to like and follow.